So in this video we are going to show you how you can make this kind of load thread inside Canva, and this is very quick and very easy. You can make this kind of animation, text and load thread inside Canva. So let's jump into the video. So first of all, we need to create a video project. For this, go to file, then create new design. From here go to videos. It will be 180p video resolution. Change the background color to black. Then we will be adding a text. You can choose any font you want. In my case I am going to use Helvetica. You can increase the size to look it more beautiful. Now duplicate it, mesh with the below layer, go to effects, go to backgrounds. Once you select the background, you change the roundness to 0 and also change the background color to any color you want. I'm choosing red. Then change the spread, the background spread outside of the text. That's it. Now we are going to add another text, that is our subtitle. Change the font size to 32, or maybe we can change a little, 56. That's it. Drag it down here. So already it's looking really good. Now we'll be adding the animation here. So first of all, click on this text, go to animation, go to wipe, click on both, then choose the direction. That's it. Now we are going to select the below layer. For this we need to enable the layer panel. So right click here, go to layer, show layers, or from your keyboard you can just press option key and 1. You can see all the layers is here. So I'm going to select this layer, go to animate, go to wipe, the same animation. Now we are going to change the timing for the titles. So right click on this, go to show element timing. Now select this layer, again go to layers. So we'll be selecting this layer, make it shorter, like 2 seconds. That's it. Now change this text just after the animation end. So right here, and let's play it and check. Okay, it's perfect. So what we can do, we can select this layer, go to wipe and only choose it on exit. That's it. Now if we play this, we can also add some animation here on the subtitle. Select this, go to baseline, select the direction. Now change the subtitle animation right here. Okay, choose both, then click on reverse exit animation. That's it. Now if we play, you can see how it looks. That's it. So you can play with the timing and other things. Now we'll be doing the second design. Create a new page, add a new element here, go to shapes, just choose any blank shape, make it just like this. We can also change the height, change the color to red, drag it here, add a text, drag it like here. Now select the shape, go to animate, go to wipe, change the direction to this, or you can also choose the same effect like in this one baseline. It will have more option, so click on both, change the direction, and also click on reverse on exit. That's it. Now click on subscribe now, click on animate, select wipe. Now we'll be changing the direction from right to left. That's it. Now we'll be doing some layer adjustment, so we just go to layers, and from here we'll be changing the time, what time it will appear and what time it will exit. Now select on this, we can just drag this once the animation finish that time and once the animation start. That's it. So if you want, you can change the total length, like here we have 5 seconds, you can change it to 3 or 4 seconds. So let's see how it looks. So if we play, okay, so for our subscription we can just change the animation text on exit to reverse. So now it will look more beautiful. If we check, you can see this is our first animation and this is our second one. That's it. Now we'll be doing the third one, so just create a new page, go to elements, add shape, change the height and width, now add a text, center it, then change the line like this, match it with the text. Maybe you can enlarge a little, it will look more beautiful. Duplicate it, just place it like this. And now just select the below our element and choose the animation wipe and choose on both, then click on reverse on exit. Now click on this, animate, wipe both, reverse on exit. That's it. Now change the text, click on it, go to animate and then go to block. You can also change the block color, so just select the color and change the block color to this. If you want, you can just make it a little small. That's it. So if I play now, you can see that's it. So this is very beautiful. Now the last one, we're creating a new page. Go to your elements. If you want, you can insert a image. For me, I'm going to use a simple image from here, just this basic image. This is just for background, nothing else. Now we'll be going to adding text, go to add text. Now we'll be choose a font that called 210 and just go to at the end of the 10 and black box. This is the font we are going to use. Now we'll be changing the text, and now we'll be adding it right here, and if you want we can just add some spaces here to add some length on the end like this. Now we'll be adding another text. Make it a little smaller, like 48. That's it. Add it here. Maybe I can make it a little like this. Change the color to white. Now we'll be adding animation to it the same way we did. We will change the direction from this side to this side. Also for this we'll be use the baseline and we'll change the direction. We'll choose both and we'll also choose reverse. That's it. And for this we'll also have the both option, and let's check how it looks. Okay, and on the last we'll be changing the reverse on exit. That's it. So our last animation is also complete. So if we see, just play it. See, so this was the video how you can create this kind of easy lower threads inside Canva. So I hope you like the video, and if you learned something new, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you guys on the next video.